Introducing Wild Cluster Bootstrap for linear regression. In cluster data, it is common to use cluster-robust standard errors to obtain reliable inference. But these standard errors can become unreliable if you have a small number of clusters or clusters that are unbalanced. For these cases, you can use a wild cluster bootstrap. Now, in Stata 18, you can perform wild cluster bootstrapping with the new wild bootstrap command. First, select an estimator. Wild Bootstrap supports regress, areg, and xtreg-fe. Then, specify the dependent variable, independent variables, and the cluster variable. Optionally, include tests of simple and composite linear hypotheses. Both provide consistent p-values and confidence intervals. Learn more at stata.com.